Users have reported instances where their device intermittently recognizes and disconnects from the charging cable or wireless charging pad, leading to frustrating charging experiences. This issue disrupts the convenience and reliability typically associated with Apple's flagship devices. So in this video, we will show you what to do to fix the intermittent charging issue on iPhone 14. First solution, try a different cable and power adapter. Test the charging cable and power adapter by using an alternative set. If the intermittent charging issue resolves with a different cable or adapter, it suggests a problem with the original ones, and replacing them should rectify the issue. Second solution, clean the charging port. Gently inspect the charging port for any signs of debris, dust, or corrosion. Use a clean toothbrush or a wooden toothpick to carefully remove any foreign particles you can find. However, exercise caution to avoid causing any damage to the port. Third solution, restart your iPhone and charge again. There are times when software glitches occur out of the blue and interfere with your device's normal operation. So after doing the previous solutions and your iPhone 14 still charges intermittently, try restarting it to refresh its memory. To do so, press and hold the power key and either of the volume keys until the power options show. Drag the slider to the right to turn the device off. After a few seconds, press and hold the power key again until the Apple logo shows, and wait until your iPhone becomes active before charging it again. If the problem continues after this, then you should have it checked, as there could be a problem with its components inside. We hope this guide can help you. Thanks for watching.